when we're looking at these two graphs, we have two examples here. This is a distance time graph. This is a speed time graph. So distance, time, speed, time. All right, so what are the names of the x-axis? The x-axis goes side to side. So the name of the x-axis is time. The y-axis is the one that goes up and down. So this is the y-axis. The y-axis is named distance. So distance, time. All right, if we look over here at this graph, the x-axis is named time. So that is exactly the same. So those two are the same. All right, but the y-axis is called speed. So y-axis is speed. These two are different. All right, so what would the formula for speed be? Speed equals distance divided by time. So we're gonna, what would the formula be? Same question. Speed equals distance divided by time. Okay, the line means divided. Make sure you're writing this. Escribe. Make sure you're copying. All right, next question. So now we're looking at what's happening between the point of origin and point A. Origin just means start. Where's the start? I really don't like how I wrote that. S-T-A-R-T, start. All right, so here's my starting point. Right here, there's my starting point, and there's my A. So I'm gonna look at my distance time graph that looks like this. So I'm gonna look at my distance, or my distance. So I'm looking at these two graphs and these two graphs. Which shape matches this line? So I'm gonna hold it up. Oh, that looks similar. That could be this. Oh, that's not the same. No, that's not the same. This one does not look like a happy face. That's not the same. And this is not the same. So it would have to be this one. This is the answer. So when I look at my answer, I'm going to say, oh, there's no change in speed. It is a constant speed. So that's my answer, is constant speed. Constant speed. No changing the speed. All right, so now I'm going to look at what's happening between point A and point B. So if we're looking at my graph, I'm going to look from point A to point B. And I know that this is a distance time graph. So distance, time, distance, time. All right, so I'm looking here, 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 and here. Distance, 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 distance. And I'm going to find the one that matches. All right, mismo, so that got to be the same. So I'm going to hold this up here. Is that the same? No. Is that the same? Yes. Is that the same? Ooh, that's definitely not the same. Is that the same? No. So this one was the most the same. So what does it say? It is stationary. So this is stationary. All right, that's stationary. All right, now, if you look at number 5, what is happening between point B and point C? All right, so point B to point C. And I'm looking at my distance, time. So distance, time. All right, I'm not looking at these yet. So which one matches? Is this one? That's not it. It's not a straight line, so that's a no. It's not a curve. No curve. No curve. But but it is a diagonal. It's one of the diagonals, all right? So this is also going to be constant speed. All right, I'm going to pause this video. And I'm going to start up the third video.